that landmark Supreme Court ruling on climate, Vickie Patton joins us to discuss. She serves as the Environmental Defense Fund's General Counsel and leads its U.S. Clean Air program. So, Vickie, just outline for us what steps the Environmental Defense Fund is taking to deal with global emissions, and if this ruling changes things for you at all.
Alexis, thank you for the opportunity to be here today. We need kind of all of our country and the world to work together to tackle the climate crisis with the urgency that is needed to ensure safe, healthy communities for all people. We do have the solutions. The solutions are at hand. And what is so troubling about yesterday's damaging decision by 6 justices on the U.S. Supreme Court that takes our country in the wrong direction is that at a time when the American people are facing very serious impacts from intensifying fires, from flooding, from drought, from heat waves, the United States Supreme Court made it more difficult for the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency to do its job and address climate pollution.
So the legal fight, of course, over the EPA's authority began several years ago when the Obama administration set strict carbon limits for each state. Now you fast forward to this week with this decision by the Supreme Court. Without the EPA intervening, what standards is the U.S. using to limit its carbon footprint?
The decision yesterday by the U.S. Supreme Court constrains EPA's authority to address the climate destabilizing pollution from power plants. Power plant smokestacks are one of the single largest sources in our country and in the world of dangerous climate pollution. The court's ruling does not impair EPA's authority and its responsibility to protect the American people from many other forms of and sources of climate pollution. So EPA has full authority and responsibility to act with urgency, and we urge it to act, in addressing the tailpipe pollution from passenger vehicles and from big high-polluting freight trucks, to address the oil and gas methane that is leaking and venting and being discharged. These solutions, the good news is that they are common sense solutions to tackle this problem. They will save families money at a time when every dollar counts. They'll help create high quality jobs in communities all across our country, and they'll make sure our communities are safer and healthier. So there's a good news story here, and that is that we have solutions at hand that can tackle this problem. And we just need to make sure that the United States Supreme Court is not sending us back to the 19th century. We need to move forward to the 21st century to tackle these 21st century urgent challenges.
Now, you've been on the case here for quite some time, for over 30 years. You've worked with partners to secure landmark national and state protections addressing climate and air pollution. What are the key differences between what states can do versus what the federal government can do?
Well, Alexis, we need all of the solutions and all of the tools in the toolbox, and states have been leading the way for a long time in creating innovative, proven solutions that benefit the American people, that help us create high-quality jobs, that help us innovate and meet these challenges in a way that saves people money. Right now, clean energy solutions are less costly. They're more affordable. And as a mom, I can tell you we are looking for every possible way to cut costs. And what about solutions that cut costs, help our families, and mean that our children will have safer, healthier lives, a better, brighter future? Those are the kinds of solutions we're seeing in the states. Those solutions are in no way impacted by the Supreme Court's decision. We need those solutions with great urgency because they become the building blocks, the good ideas, the innovation to help us tackle national action. And Alexis, right now there is legislation pending before Congress that would help states and help power companies and help all of our communities move forward in a way that benefits all Americans. And that's another piece of this that we need right now.
All right, Vickie Patton, we appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.